how to connect Brave Rewards to your Brave wallet, so make sure you have both of these ready. But to connect these both, you can do this directly in the Brave Rewards section of your Brave. So just go ahead to the triple dot button or menu in the bottom right corner or wherever you find it. Then just go ahead to the Brave Rewards. Inside Brave Rewards, you should be able to see this. It should be already up and going, but just go ahead to the Connect Account section. So this is how you can start earning so that you can connect a payout account. So just go ahead and press on that, and you should see the self-custody option. So it gives you exclusive control over your BATs along with complete responsibility for their security, and the option for Brave Wallet. So other wallet that does support Solana. But just go ahead and press on Brave